Then you comment, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Today I have new ROM, Android 13 ROM, which is Pixel Experience. I want just to install this for the first time on my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 to see how it works. Okay, good. In the description, there is a link, okay, a link to download, to go on the page where you can download Magics, and another link to go on a page where you can download your Pixel Experience. When you click on this link to download, on this link you click on this link, you will go on a web page, okay, where you can find the good ROM for your device. I'll choose the ROM for my phone. This is what you can see here, and now I'm ready to install this. First of all, let's see what I have into this phone. As you can see, let's see what I have here. I install all of my favorite applications and everything work. I have no problem with this, but I want to test something new, something different, just to see how it works, or something I don't know. Look at how it looks like. This is not bad, not bad. What I want to install right now is very different than everything you see here, bro. Wow, you will see very different between both. Yes, this is Android 2.5, Android 10. As you can see, it's not a joke. I want to change everything. You can see Android security compatible, November 1st, 2021. And this ROM is called ROM Q1E version 3. Nice. Now let's try to install this. First of all, you need to install TWP on your phone. When TWP is installed, you can access to this. Make sure that you charge your phone. I have 93% here. Okay, now let's turn off this phone. Power off quickly. Okay, good. As you can see, it's turned off. It's not a joke. Now you need to access to TWP. If it's installed, you can watch on YouTube how to install on your phone. Now let me try this button, busy button, volume up, and power button at the same time. Let me do this to access to TWP. Okay, all three button, busy button, volume up, and power button at the same time to have. Oh god, I'll let one of this button, but okay, school is done. Let's see what you need to start first. Okay, when you come here, go on whip. If you have installed this for the first time, you need to click on format data, enter yes, and validate. Okay, for me, as I can see, I come from a ROM, so I don't need to do this again. So I'll click on advanced web and I select all of this. You see internal storage. I don't know if it's necessary to select an internal storage, but for my case, I want to select this because I want to install clean. I want to make clean install. Okay. Okay, make sure you want to do this, make sure that you save the data to your external storage or your computer, and now we can go. Okay. Okay. Internal storage, everything. Let's try. Okay, you can see done. Now click on home. Connect your phone to your PC or your gaming laptop, like me. As you can see, it's connected. Now let's open our window. Go on Note8. You can see internal storage. Nice. Now take all of both field what you are doing and put this inside. Transfer started. You need to wait. Okay, wait a few minutes. It will not take so much time. Don't disconnect your phone. Get ready. And bro, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, bro, because this is an amazing video. This is so cool. This is so nice. Okay, thank you. Now we transfer continue. 1 minute. Almost finished. And okay, now it's done. Everything is here. Nice. Okay, disconnect your phone from this USB. Now I already got ready because I'm ready. Okay, so let's do this. Now click on install, and look at what I have here. Make sure that I select internal storage. Okay, and you can see click yes, select to select storage. And now first of all, install Pixel Experience. This is what you need to do first, and the process started. What you need to do right now is just wait. You can see device everything. Okay, nice. Security portable. You can see everything here. This is May 1st, 2023. Device creator. Okay, wait with me. 92% of battery. This phone is still great even in 2023, bro. You believe it? Wow, not bad. The only problem that I meet is screen burning. Screen burning, bro. Look at under here, button, under button, everywhere. This is something I don't love. What? Done. You can see done. Now click on home, click on install again, and now install Magix APK, just like that. Okay, we process start. Wait. Okay, you can see done. You need to reboot your phone now. You can see reboot system. Click on reverse to reboot system, and let's see together what we will see after this. Ooh, there's something new here. Can you see this? I installed this for the first time. I don't know how it works, but I wanted to see everything because it's so beautiful in real life. Whoa, so nice. Okay, wait for me. We're finishing. Ooh, look at that. Have you seen something? Wow, look at that. Welcome to Pixel. You can see English, United States. No problem. But what can I do right now, bro? What can I do? I don't know. Okay. What? Wow. Change it again for French. Fish. Okay. Let's change everything to shows English United States. Why not? Okay, get start. What you're looking for? Internet connection. Okay. Let me enter my passcode quickly because I'm so beautiful. Even you are so nice. Try to connect. And look at that. Getting your phone ready. I think what you need to wait. Look at here, what I have here. Uh-oh. Wow, it's beautiful. Nice. Look at that. Can connect. Try another. Okay, no problem. Maybe this is because I'm uploading videos. Okay. Try another network. Skype. That's Skype. Okay. You can see everything pattern, everything fingerprint. Below. I need to choose one of them. Pattern. I don't know. What can I choose? 5. What? You believe it? Click on Skype. Skype. Okay, now what can you do? Navigation, look at that. How you want to navigate? I don't know. Why not? Oh, yeah, this is cool. I love this animation. Yes, you can see what you want to see. Okay, click on try it. What? Do you want what I tried? Seriously? Polo. What? Okay. Okay, this is how it work. Okay. Nice. Okay, I know. Okay, Skype tutorial. Woo! Look at that! Look at that! For the first time ever! Wow! This is so cool. Look at how it look like. Bro, it look better. Wow. What is this, bro? It's so big! It's so big, my friend! Do you believe it? Damn. Wow. What can I do? Okay, let's go setting. Look at storage. Nice. I love it. Let's see more missions. About Android. You can see system. What? Language, everything. About phone. So what you can see. I want to see more information. Oh! Android 13 below. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Look at that bit number. Pixel Experience Plus Critel 13. I will put the link of the Note 8 in the description. Even with S8, S8 Plus. Okay, just ready. Look at that. Android 13 is back. Android security patch level, January 1st, January 5, 2023. Seriously? That's open base. Oh. Wow, look at what I'm seeing here. What? Woo! Nice. Great. Okay. Get ready for the test review after this video. Don't forget to like and share and